paper of the day is How Good Are Query Optimizers Really? In this paper, they have provided quantitative evidence for conventional wisdom that has been accumulated in 3 decades of practical experience with query optimizers. Paper shown that query optimization is essential for efficient query processing and that exhaustive enumeration algorithms find better plans than heuristics. Paper have also shown that relational database systems produce large estimation errors that quickly grow as the number of joins increases, and that these errors are usually the reason for bad plans. In contrast to cardinality estimations, the contributions of the cost model to the overall query performance is limited. The goal of this paper is to investigate the contribution of all relevant query optimizer components to an end-to-end query performance in a realistic setting. Paper therefore performed their experiments using a workload based on a real-world dataset and widely used PostgreSQL system. Postgres is a relational database system with a fairly traditional architecture, making it a good subject for their experiments. There are 3 key contributions of this paper. Paper designed a challenging workload named Join Order Benchmark, or JOB in short, which is based on the IMDb dataset. The benchmark is publicly available to facilitate further research. This paper presents the first end-to-end study of the join ordering problem using a real-world dataset and realistic queries. By quantifying the contributions of cardinality estimation, the cost model, and the plan enumeration algorithm on query performance, paper provide guidelines for the complete design of a query optimizer. Let's look at the PS score for this paper. Overall, this paper is a bit rough read due to maths and algorithms involved, so it gets 6 out of 10 on readability. With 12 pages long, it scores 7 out of 10 on length. It's a research prototype with okay-ish description, so that makes it 7 out of 10. Its industry value and learning meter is decent, so it gets 7 out of 10 on each with overall PS score of 7 out of 10.